How's it going, guys? KCG Trades here, and today I want to show you guys a live example of Netflix and its current earnings gap and go. Announced earnings yesterday, and it's currently in the sell-off phase, and it's actually recovering here. We see here not much selling occurred in the first 5 minutes. It's currently 9:32, 3 minutes into the open. I want to show you guys live intraday examples of how I actually trade this. So as we see here, it's at 568, 569. We're not seeing much selling off, so I do believe this could actually run. This huge volume, 1.5 mil volume in the first 2 minutes. Look at the volume, huge. We know this is going to be a huge day, could be all-time high volume. Right now it's just selling off a little bit more now. It's nearing the all-time highs, so I really want to get in this if it goes past the 575 mark. We see here the 575, 576 mark is all-time highs in pre-market. Now it's selling off a little bit more. Once we see this sell off and recover, that's when I want to enter. We don't know for sure if that's going to happen, but that's definitely what I want to see. So it's just a waiting game right now. Look at the daily. Obviously you could expect some sell off, as it has been sideways for about 5-6 months. So whoever's holding it from around here or up here or down here, probably taking some profit, so to be expected, but it's how we recover after the sell-off. As we see here, recovering already. Let's just be patient with this. And if we go above the 570, if we go above the 576 on one end, but I really am interested above the 570 level. Let's see if the institutions can step in. Already 2 million volume in the first 4 minutes, which is crazy. Turning green here, turning green here. I might get interested now. Back to the daily. Looking good. Volume's amazing. It's already above average for the 50-day. 578. This one could possibly run. Looks really strong. Yep. See what it does. 568. $570. All right, so I bought some here. Not much, just a low starter position, and then if it goes above the 576, I want to add some more. 572. If we look at the daily, starting to look good. Look at the volume, 4 million, above 4 million already. So it's looking good. If we get above the pre-market highs, this could possibly run some more. Like we said, the bigger the base, the bigger the breakout. This is a huge base, almost half a year. If we get above all the resistance zones, it's blue skies ahead. And like I said, it's not going to happen right away. It takes time. You gotta be patient with it. Obviously, the pre-market high is going to be a big resistance zone. We want to see it blast through it. Once we see that, we buy some more and then just let it ride for the rest of the day. See how it acts. We put our stop loss at 556. 571 right now. Selling off just a little bit. We hit, as we see here, another resistance zone at the 575 level, 576 level. We want to clear that. Let's just wait. No rush. And if it does end up reversing on us and goes below this 556 level, I'm out. All right. If you don't want to hold our losses, want to keep our losses small, and if it goes below it, just get out, no questions asked, and take your small loss. 574 now, 574.50. So I'm actually looking at the level 2 on my other screen, so that's why I'm talking out loud about the pricing. It's about to hit almost 576. Let's see if we could blast through it. It's there, man. It's pushing it. Huge volume pouring in. This is all good characteristics of an amazing gap and go. It's just this level right here we have to get past. Once we get past it, Oh, there we go. 575, 576. Let's buy some more. Boom. All right. So all-time highs now, intraday. And now we just want to let it ride. Obviously, we're going to have some more resistance a little bit here and there. But at the end of the day, we want to keep riding it. I will check back in near the end of the day to see where it is. But this is my process of buying earnings gap and go. Netflix had beautiful characteristics. And as we see here, it's all-time highs now. All-time highs now. It's in the 577s. Gorgeous. So we want to see a huge move up today. We might not get that, but I like our chances. Again, this is how I would do it. You could do it differently, and your stop loss would be 556. So currently, my average position is around the 560s, level. Not risking too much, and you just let it ride. All right, guys. So it's 1:43 p.m. the same day, and I'm just gonna look over our Netflix earnings trade to see how it is currently. This is everything you want to see in an earnings gap up. Just a small sell-off in the beginning of the day, recovery, and just a consolidation. Small breakout over the 577 level, and now it's just chugging higher. Exactly what we want to see in an earnings gap up. The great thing about this is it is in all-time highs right now, and the volume rate is confirming it. So this, like I said, exactly what you want to see and everything you want to have in having a successful earnings gap up. So basically right now, all we do is just hold, let it ride, let the volume come in even more. We're going to have a stop loss at the same level, at the 556 level, and just let it ride. Okay, so I'm going to come back at 4 o'clock just to check in how we did for the rest of the day and move from there. All right, so we're back. End of day, 4:30. Markets are officially closed. Now it's taking a look at the Netflix chart. This is a beautiful earnings gap up. With all the great characteristics. It did not close at the high of day, but it closed pretty near it, 586, and the high was 593. We can't complain about that. It did close in all-time highs. Volume is extraordinary, 32.46 million. So the big boys have stepped in once again, and yeah, so we're just going to continue this trend. Once again, our stop loss would be at the 556 level. And just let it ride. We don't want to give up the gains too early. Like I said, this is a swing or position trading strategy. So we want to just let it ride as much as possible. And hopefully we make some money. So far so good. My average price is about 573. I'm currently at 586. So about $13 per share in profit right now. We're going to continue riding this. Hopefully we get this above 600 soon. But besides that, there you go. That is how you trade the earnings gap up. Hope you guys learned something. If you did like the video, please share with your friends, family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.